Hello, everybody. I'm in the middle of fucking nowhere. Literally. I just fucking worked for 4.5 hours, excuse my language, planting at least 10,000 rows of lettuce straight, and skipped my break because I had my headphones on and wasn't looking at the clock, and almost dehydrated myself, which was very exciting. I don't even know if this is facing my face. In any event, so I'm trying to stop smoking cigarettes. It's almost fucking impossible. Although I did move to rolling cigarettes, at least, as opposed to smoking regular cigarettes, which I don't know if is good or bad, but they're really fucking strong, so that's sort of good, because it's relaxing. You can hear the birds out here. I'm sitting at the lettuce farm, and the Jordanian mountains behind us, which is fucking pretty cool, actually. And I think I'm going to go to a lot this weekend, check that out. And I put a request in to switch kibbutzes because everybody here is 14 to 19, and it's driving me crazy because some of these kids could actually be my kids if I had any. So I'm just calling, I'm saying what's up to everybody. Hope everyone's having fun. It's too bad the Lakers keep losing, which I do pay attention to. But hopefully I'll be going to lunch shortly because I'm starving. I've been up since 5:30 this morning. It's now 11:30 a.m. It's really, really hot outside, though I am wearing a sweatshirt because it's freezing inside. What else? I don't know. Not much.